In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for human resources in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to route HR tasks to the right model tier and use 3 proven prompts to create stronger job descriptions, fair interview scorecards, and neutral conflict resolution plans. Start by looking at the Model Selection Framework dropdown at the very top header of your chat workspace. This is where you assign each HR task to the right performance path. Keep it on the instant tier when you need rapid production. It responds in milliseconds and is perfect for proofreading standard company announcements, generating concise icebreaker lists, formatting employee handbook indexes, or cleaning up typos on internal notices. Switch to the thinking tier when the work is structural or high stakes. This engine applies deep reasoning, which makes it ideal for drafting comprehensive compliance guidelines, mapping employee retention strategies, analyzing workforce performance frameworks, or building neutral conflict resolution templates. A quick rule of thumb: if accuracy, nuance, and long-term impact matter more than speed, choose thinking. If polishing or producing straightforward content is the goal, choose instant. To upgrade your job postings, avoid generic summaries and use the de-risked job description creator prompt. Replace the bracketed text with your specifics and keep sensitive internal data out of the prompt. Paste this exactly as written. Act as an elite corporate talent acquisition director and senior technical recruiter. I need to build a high-performance job description for a insert job title, e.g. senior front-end developer, specializing in insert core focus, e.g. React and mobile responsive UI platforms. Write a structured, compliance-friendly job posting detailing role overview, core performance responsibilities, required technical competencies, certifications, and preferred cultural traits. Ensure the tone is professional, inclusive, and avoids uninspired industry buzzwords. To standardize interviews and reduce bias, generate an objective, metrics-driven scorecard before you meet candidates. Copy and paste. Act as a workforce development specialist and behavioral hiring consultant. I am interviewing candidates for the position of insert job role name. Create a comprehensive interview rubric featuring 4 highly targeted behavioral questions based on the STAR methodology: situation, task, action, result, to evaluate insert core skill to test, e.g. the conflict resolution and cross-functional team leadership. For each question, provide an explicit scoring guide outlining what constitutes a poor, average, and elite response. When a dispute arises, you need neutral language and a de-escalation plan. Act as a master corporate mediator and employee relations director. An internal dispute has arisen between team members regarding: briefly describe dispute objective, e.g. missed project deadlines and communication breakdowns during a product launch. Draft a neutral, completely non-punitive mediation meeting agenda and a communication script I can use to guide both parties toward a collaborative solution. The tone must be empathetic, highly professional, and focused entirely on behavioral